Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel APM Guide. As a part of our series Scroll Gestures using UI Scrollable. In this video, we'll discuss how to perform scroll to end by using UI Scrollable Class. Okay, so we had to use the method called scroll to end. Okay, so this is the code new UI Scrollable brackets new UI selector dot scrollable true dot scroll to end method I had to use here. Okay, so what is the exact scroll to end method? And n is a number of scrolls here. So scrolls, by using this method, scrolls to the end of the scrollable layout element. Means suppose we have a scrolling element, and if you use this method, it automatically scrolls to the end of that particular view. Okay, so first of all, we discuss manually what functionality we are going to automate. Okay, so I'll open here API demos. So this functionality I need to automate here. So click on views, then list. I scroll here, then I had to click on list, then I had to select the selection mode. Okay, so this is the scroll view, and I had to scroll to the end. See, it is a huge scroll here. Okay, so I had to write a code so that it will open this one and it has to scroll to this last till this last option. Okay, this is the manually we have seen. So we need to automate this functionality. Okay, so we'll quickly open the Eclipse. Okay, so I'll create a class. Create a class here, and we name this class as scroll to end test. Okay, or I say demo. Okay, so I create a class here, and I had created the setup and tear down methods here. So that we can save the time, I copy this one to our class. So quickly I change the class name. Remove this package name which is copied. Okay, I need to update the class name. So our setup and tear down methods are ready. Okay, now we create a method public test1, and I add annotation here test. So I am using test ng test here. Okay, and so for this one, before that one, I need to open the API demos app. Okay, so I say driver dot activate app. Okay, I am using this method activate app to open the API demos app. So I need to provide the parameter, that is the package name. So this is the package name, or I copied it, so I'll paste it here. Okay, so first, once the app is open, API demos app is open, I need to click on the views. So driver dot find element, quickly write the code here. APM by, so it is accessibility ID, and I had to provide the value here. So views, so I had to click on that one, and then I had to click on the list. So what I'll do, I'll just copy this one. After clicking views, I need to click on list. So after clicking on list, I need to click on, go back here, the selection mode. Okay, selection mode, already I copied the value here. So I'm providing the selection mode here. Okay, See, for going to the list mode, I need to do some scrolling, right? See, go back here. Directly see, after clicking view, I cannot view this list. So I have to do a simple scrolling. Okay, already I created a video on this one. So I place this in icons. Okay, so I have code here. So I discussed this code, how exactly works for simple scroll. Okay, please go to the video and check it out. Okay, so this is a scroll. This is a code to do a simple scroll. So what exactly I am using? New UI scrollable brackets new UI selector dot scrollable true, and I had to provide scroll into view new UI selector dot text. Based upon text, I am searching for the particular option. Okay, so what is the text here? It is a list. Okay, so list. So when I provide this code, it will scroll until this particular text and option is displayed. Okay, once it is displayed, okay, it will click on this list. Okay, now we came to, yeah, we need to add this scroll mode. Okay, yeah, so once it clicks the selection mode, I had to go to, see, list, then selection mode, then I need to go to the end of the scroll. Okay, this scroll end I had to go. Okay, it is very huge scroll. Okay, so what what code I need to use? So this is the code I need to use. See, new driver.find element APM by Android UI automator. So here to provide new UI scrollable new UI selector dot scrollable true dot scroll to end. This is the important method I am using here, and number of scrolls I need to do. Okay, so I'll come back to the Eclipse. So we write it, instead of copying, we write this one, driver dot find element APM by dot, so it is Android UI automator. Then I need to provide the okay, so new UI scrollable open brackets new UI selector brackets dot scrollable true. Okay, then dot scroll to end. So this is the method I need to provide, and number of scrolls I say as 10. Otherwise I will give as 50. It's a very huge scroll, right? So I have given 50 here, and I need to end. Okay. So here I provided I open the app here, then click on views, then I had to scroll to the list, then I click on the list, then I had to click on the selection mode, and then I need to scroll till the end. Okay, so I provided the method called scroll to end, and number of scrolls I provided here. Okay, now I run this code. Before that one, we'll start the APM server. Yeah, my APM server is running, and my emulator is there. I close this one. Okay, I'll run this code. Right, I'll stop this one. I need to run like this. Yeah. Wait, run the previous one. Yeah. Now I'm running this code here. So it has to open the API demos app. Click on views. then it has to do a simple scroll in search of list text. So now it is doing a scroll search of list. Yeah, it found it. It click on list, then it click on selection mode. See, this is the one, so it has to go. I think there's a problem here. We'll search it. Okay, here I give some thread.sleep here. I took 3 seconds. Yeah, I don't know. Once again, I just close this app. We just open the API demos app, click on views, and search for the list, then click on list, then why it happened, why what is previous one? Yeah, now it is searching for this. So it is going to the scroll to end, so it is going till the end. Okay. It is scrolling. So you can see it is pausing for some time, right? It is a one view, scroll view is say. See, it is stopping for few seconds, couple of seconds. Okay, that is known as a one view. Okay, here the 50 means number of scrolls. Okay, you can see here, you can observe in the emulator. So for 1 or 2 seconds it stopped the scrolling. Okay, why it is happening? Because I have provided the 50 number of scrolls here, means it is a lengthy scroll here. So what is doing, it is scrolling one by one. Okay, so here I mentioned 50, right? So it will scroll for 50 times. Okay, so that it reach to the end. Okay, so this is say to reach the scroll to end. So it is a very lengthy scroll element here. So it is scrolling to the end. So it is still scrolling till it is scroll to find the end of this scroll of this element here. So yeah, it went to till the end it went. Okay, yes, it passed. Okay, so this is the way you can able to scroll to the end by using this following method, that is scroll to end. Okay, if you like this video, please click on like button, subscribe my channel. Keep learning and happy learning. Bye, take care.